Clinton Obote described Museveni as a pathological liar, and I agreed with him. Among the many shameless lies, you remember Museveni went on record and wrote it in his 2001 manifesto. He said with open eyes on record that that was his last and final term to run for president. How many years ago is that? More than 20 years, 23 years ago. He is still running for president, and until we kick him out, he's still going to stick on us. The same Museveni, you remember him saying on national TV that he would never want to be president after the age of 75. Now he's way beyond 80, although he says he's 80. But he doesn't want anybody to remind him about his lies. As a Christian, when they asked me what I would respond, my first response is to forgive him. Courtesy of age, it was his words when he said after 75, tuchakata bulungi. So, tusoke kumusasira. However, although I personally forgive him as a Christian, we must be reminded that as a result of that rigged elections, that election of 2021, Ugandans have continued to suffer with hunger, with starvation, with poverty, with potholes, with corruption. You saw what happened in Chitezi recently. Ladies and gentlemen, I have written to Museveni, and in this letter, I put a 23 charge on him. I am challenging General Museveni to submit himself to an international audit. This has been our call from the beginning. We've been calling for an international audit of the 2021 election. He refused. Instead, he just kept arresting our people. We want to have that audit in accordance with the law. I also challenge General Museveni to cede his presidential immunity to Torotoke Mukoti, if he's a man. He challenged that, said, NUP can take me to court. I am taking you to court, Museveni. Put away your immunity. I will say that again. Of course, agenda kusirika, because he has nothing to say. But again, this goes further to prove that we know what he did in that election.